About to leave. It's kind of bittersweet. I think we're both excited to get home, but kind of sad to leave.
This is like one of my favorite views, so I'm sad, but I am ready to get home. See the dogs and get started on the Lambulance project that we've been waiting to get back to.
Hi Vinny, we're gonna miss you.
Bye, sweet thing. You've been great. Bye. So, in case you didn't know, Discount Tire does free flat repair. However, even if you didn't buy your tires there. However, this right here is sidewall damage that can be fixed, especially a cut like that. But if you didn't buy your tires at Discount Tire, free pitch for them. They'll do it for free, and they'll rotate your tires for free even if you didn't buy from them. And they'll price match and beat anyone's price on tires if you bring them a quote. So, when I was a tire tech there, I still go there to this day, even after not working there. I think it's called America's Tire in like the West Coast.
I guess that's where we'll be going tomorrow.
Wow. We're gonna have to go back and see if we can find the center cap. The center cap blew out too.
A giant pothole. Or one of them. The road's like filled with it. I don't know if you can see that very good. We're looking for the cap now. Maybe we'll find it.
I know replacing this stuff ain't cheap, so we went back and we pulled over with the caution lights on, and there hasn't been a single car drive down this road. Now I know why. And found it in the swamp. So it was worth it, because I bet this is like at least 20 bucks.
Oh my gosh. Woo, good job, Alan.
Yeah, let's go home.
Yeah. We just got in from the honeymoon. We're so excited to be home. Even though we had some crazy things happen over the honeymoon, it was pretty awesome. So we're excited to get back and pick up the Lambo from Ryan tomorrow, so that we can get started working on that and get things rolling. So we're excited.
Yeah, I mean, we had a couple setbacks, you know, including tonight with our fun little blowout. It was a good trip. We're really tired. It's really late right now, and we have so much to do tomorrow. Picking up the car, picking up our dogs, getting here for some family stuff, and then New Year's Eve or whatever's going on. I don't know. There's a lot going on. We got a ton going on, and anyway, there's a ton going on. But it was a great trip, and thanks everyone for, you know, giving us pointers and advice and tons of messages and stuff coming in. Like I said, it's hard to keep up with everything, but you know, we can't get back to everyone. There's literally a ton of people like messaging us and stuff, and it's just, you know, not everything is possible. And also there's like a ton of people that are asking us to like work on the car and stuff, and we definitely appreciate that. But right now we have the car with our friend who's working on it, and there's several people that have messaged us about like rallies and stuff like that, and we're definitely interested in that in the future. But right now the car, we're going to be making a video on the state of the car, and right now it's not in the condition whatsoever to be really driven anywhere but locally. Just, you know, we got AAA, but it's definitely not in any condition to be rallied or really driven hard at all. But we'll be making a video with our friend Ryan, and I'm sure he'll be featuring some stuff on his channel, and we'll get that link to you tomorrow. He's still getting all that kind of set up, so anyway, there's gonna be a lot of stuff coming with the car. We definitely have plans, and we're definitely still doing a wrap on it and stuff like that. But anyway, we just want to give everyone an update for tonight, you know, now that we're back home. So anyway, we're gonna edit this and go to bed and get up in a few hours and get to normal life again. So, or normal married life for us. You know, it's our first. Is this our first time being home together since?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is our first time being at the house together, like as married people. So this is good stuff.
We're excited.
Yeah.
Thanks for following our journey, and we're excited to get
Yeah.
work with the rest of things.
Yeah, and we're still in love with the Mini. If anyone works at Enterprise, like, and they want to give us the Mini in the future or let us buy it back,
Maybe that could be the next car.
yeah, we love that Mini. It was great. I know some of you said like you want to buy a Mini now. Do it. It was a great car. Adios. Thanks for watching. See ya.
Bye.